So for this Halloween season, we are preparing a miniature scaled version of the courthouse and surrounding buildings on the square. It's going to be called Little Lil D, where we have so many of the local Denton favorites. I got Elvis. I had to make Elvis.
That's cool. I'm so glad you did these.
The idea was Beetlejuice, you know, the attic diorama that they had. But Denton and Haunted. I've done some diorama work in the past. This project was definitely in my wheelhouse, but not by myself. It needed to have a team. So I hopped on Reddit and showed off some of my old work on the subreddit for Denton. And sure enough, you know, like 30 plus replies on there and instant messages and stuff like that. So I was like, all right, this is what's happening. Then we got a bunch of people that are on board to paint and craft and do all kinds of cool stuff with it.
Yeah, I'm super excited. Dance is important to me.
One across, and then we sort of build inward and outward from the road.
Yeah.
This couldn't have been any cooler. I can't imagine this happening at any other city.
And it's really been cool to have the community kind of come together, especially this local scene of artists.
I'm anxious to see it in its place, being complete, and everybody that's worked on it just kind of also to kind of be in that moment where it's like we all get to reflect on like we did it, you know?
We're at UNT CoLab setting up mini Halloween.
But we had like 20-something people that have been participating. Everyone's been getting buildings and getting them done. And so now we're getting it all put together and it's coming together and looking good, all the little details.
We need D20.
So I'm coming in and building in like the dirt that would normally run down the sides of the building from rain and just general wear.
It's been a little passion project for all of us. Very excited for everybody to see it.
So excited about the cord kits, personally.
Oh.
Did y'all take off the O?
Since this one actually came off in transit, so I gotta put that one back up.
Plenty of other Easter eggs to find. Come find everything that we got.